Our government has failed us. We need a new government structure. We need a new way of electing our leaders where we can remove them. And there's many people coming up with ideas like that. They see that the goose is cooked, so to speak, and we need to change the governance system. We need to elect our leaders directly, and then the politicians can battle it out. I'm not a politician. The politicians can battle it out, how we make that system look, how we actually implement it, but it has to happen. We need our politicians to be held accountable. The party political system has to fall, and it is collapsing itself. It is doing it to itself, and people aren't going to sit idly by while their country is being ruined. And once the government collapses, we will build up something beautiful, something much better, something new that we can be proud of. And we will just wonder one thing: why did we not do it sooner?